I am going to introduce to you the USDA APHIS Animal Care Deputy Administrator, Sarah Helming, and she will be doing our opening remarks. Sarah?
I'm Sarah Helming, the Deputy Administrator for USDA APHIS Animal Care. I'm happy to be here with you today, and I definitely appreciate the opportunity to welcome everyone to this Avian Enrichment Welfare Symposium. Before I begin, I also want to express my appreciation and thanks to each of the speakers today and tomorrow. And I know you're going to hear a lot of great ideas about their expertise, and they're going to share those today and tomorrow. I'd also like to thank all of you. I believe there's been more than 2,400 people who have registered to attend. We anticipate a very broad audience, including animal caretakers, educators, exhibitors, breeders, avian health professionals, researchers, students, regulators, welfare advocates, and also avian enthusiasts. We are very encouraged to have such a diverse audience, and I hope you will help us amplify our message of avian welfare and enrichment. We've had participants that have signed up to join us here today and tomorrow from across North America, including the United States, Mexico, and Canada, as well as Tanzania, South Africa, Ecuador, Chile, Peru, Venezuela, Brazil, Pakistan, Australia, New Zealand, China, Taiwan, Thailand, India, EAU, Jordan, Turkey, Portugal, the UK, and Poland. We're very excited that there has been so much interest in the symposium. As some of you may know, I'm relatively new to animal care, having been the deputy administrator for just under 3 months now. In that time, I've had the opportunity to meet many of you, our stakeholders, and also I've had an opportunity to interact with all of animal care and know how passionate our staff is about enrichment and animal care in general. You may know that animal care is one of 10 APHIS programs and support areas within APHIS. Within APHIS, there is a strategic goal to promote the welfare of animals, and to do that, we have 3 specific objectives. That is to ensure the humane treatment of animals covered by the Animal Welfare Act, or AWA, also to eliminate soaring and promote fair competition at events covered under the Horse Protection Act, the HPA, and then also to assist our stakeholders with planning and preparedness to ensure the safety and welfare of animals during disasters. So you may have heard of us reaching out to our regulated entities after hurricanes, tornadoes, and other natural disasters. And then in February of 2023, as you will likely know, USDA did publish a final bird rule, which is a set of regulations that ensures the humane treatment of birds that are not bred for research. The goal of the rule is to ensure birds are raised and cared for in conditions that promote their health and well-being by meeting the physical and behavioral needs of birds. The rule also outlines how entities with regulated birds can obtain a license and the standards that regulated entities with birds must follow. Since the implementation of the rule, Animal Care has conducted more than 3,000 inspections, and that has covered 450,000 birds. The number one issue we encountered during inspections has been enrichment and requirements for an enrichment plan. That was the catalyst for the symposium today and tomorrow. While one of the presentations will cover the Animal Welfare Act and the regulations, this symposium is not just about being compliant with the Act or US-based animal welfare legislation. We'll also explore the current best practices from leaders in the field on improving enrichment for birds. Enrichment is important because it encourages birds to be active and use their bodies and also their minds, which results in improved health and healthy weights for these animals. Enrichment also promotes natural behaviors rather than negative behaviors, which is better for birds, the public, and also pet owners. Finally, enrichment is good animal welfare and allows these intelligent animals to have some choice in their surroundings. So looking ahead to the program, as I've mentioned, we have 2 full days planned for you. That is going to be happening from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. We have many exciting topics that you're going to hear about, including avian intelligence, how to identify and provide enrichment for avian welfare in a variety of captive settings, how to select the appropriate enrichment, how to develop and implement the enrichment plan, the USDA inspection process, how to determine the safety and effectiveness of enrichment, how to understand behavioral diseases and avian species related to enrichment issues, and then finally, how to incorporate enrichment into habitat design. In closing, I hope you are looking forward to these next few days as much as I am. I know there's going to be panel discussions at the end of each day where I hope you will participate. Thank you so much for being here. And Shannon, I'm going to turn it back to you.